Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Shadowing Practice with Sophia. This is episode 11 of season 1. It's wonderful to have you here, ready to invest more time in your English fluency. Let's keep up the great work. Listen carefully, pause the video, and then repeat after me, aiming for that natural English sound. Today, I want to talk about a heartwarming topic: the joy of giving and receiving thoughtful gifts. Gift giving is a practice found in cultures all around the world, and it's about so much more than just the material object itself. It's a way we express care, appreciation, and connection with others. When we talk about thoughtful gifts, it's not necessarily about how expensive a gift is. The real value often lies in the thought and effort put into choosing something that will genuinely resonate with the recipient. It shows that you've paid attention to their interests, their needs, or something they've mentioned they like. A thoughtful gift says, "I was thinking of you," or "I understand you." The act of giving a thoughtful gift can be incredibly rewarding. Seeing the joy or appreciation on someone's face when they receive something you've carefully chosen for them is a wonderful feeling. It strengthens bonds and creates positive memories. It's a way of showing love, gratitude, or support in a tangible way. For example, a handmade item, a book by their favorite author, or even an experience like tickets to an event they'd love can be incredibly meaningful. On the other side, receiving a thoughtful gift can make you feel truly seen, understood, and valued. It's a reminder that someone cares enough to consider what would make you happy or what might be useful to you. It's not just about the gift itself, but the sentiment behind it. Even a small, simple gift, if given with genuine thought, can have a big impact. Of course, gift giving isn't just for special occasions like birthdays or holidays. Sometimes a small, unexpected gift, just because, can be the most touching of all. It can brighten a regular day and make someone feel special. So, whether you are giving or receiving, remember the power of thoughtfulness in the act of gifting. It's about connection, understanding, and sharing a little bit of joy. These are lovely concepts and words to practice in your shadowing today. Keep up your fantastic practice. I'm already looking forward to our next session together. Bye for now.